Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's learning time. So dear children, today in this video I am going to explain you about the multiplication of fraction. As we already studied about addition of fractions and subtraction of fraction in the previous video, here we are going to study a new point, that is multiplication of fractions. So there are mainly three types are there. First one is multiplying a fraction by whole number. Second one is multiplying a fraction by another fraction, and third one is multiplication of a fraction by mixed fractions. Okay, so let us study the first one. That is, the first one is multiplying a fraction by a whole number. Okay, as you see, here is one example. Example 1 is 12 into 3 by 4. As you see, 12 is a whole number and 3/4 is a fraction, or 3 by 4 is a fraction. So the first step is write down the So for the first step is write down the given number 12 into 3 by 4. As I told you in the previous video, that is how to convert the whole number into fraction. To convert this whole number into fraction, just take 1 in the denominator. It will become a fraction. Okay. So no denominator means you have to take 1 here. After that, if it is divisible by this number, if the numerator is divisible by the denominator, then divide this. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Okay. Then next is multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. 3 threes are 9 and 1 into 1 is 1. After that, if 1 is came in the denominator, means it is a whole number. Okay. So the answer is 9. So what we did here, we taken this 12, converted into the fraction, take the 1 in denominator and divide this number. If it is divisible by the second number's denominator, then divide it. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Then multiply the numerator, multiply the denominator. If 1 comes in the denominator, then it is a whole number. So our answer is 9. Let us take one more example here. So see here, second one example is 5 by 9 into 27. So the first step is write down first fraction as it is and convert the whole number into fraction. To convert this, put 1 in the denominator. And if this number is divisible by this number, just divide it. 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27. Then multiply the numerator, multiply the denominator. 5 threes are 15, 1 into 1 is 1. So if 1 is there in the denominator, then the above number which is present in the numerator is our answer. So the answer is 15. Okay, I hope you understood this one. Let us go to the second one. That is, the second one is multiplying a fraction by another fraction. Okay, so here these two numbers are fractions only. So here we have to multiply. How to multiply? See here children, it is the easiest way. So just in the multiplication of fraction, what we have to do, multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. Okay. So in upside, in the numerator, multiply the given numerators of two fractions, and in the denominator multiply given fractions of the denominator. Okay. Denominators of the given fraction. Then 3 2s are 6, 4 9s are 36. Okay. Then see here, it is divisible. 6 ones are 6, 6 6 are 36. So the answer is 1 by 6. In the multiplication of fraction by another fraction, just multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. Your answer will come. Let us take one more example here. Second one example is 5 by 8 into 11 by 3. So multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Then 5 into 11, 11 5s are 55, 8 3s are 24. So here is our answer. In the multiplication of fraction by another fraction, just multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Whatever will answer come, that you have to write down in the fraction. If it is divisible, then divide. If it is not divisible, then keep as it is. So let us go to the next part, that is multiplying a fraction by mixed fraction. So in this type of example, one number is a mixed fraction and one number is a normal fraction. Okay, or improper fraction. So the first step is convert this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 1 is 64 divided by 7. This will come as after converting. Then put multiplication sign and 3 as it is. So the next step is, if it is divisible by this number, then divide. If it is not divisible, then keep as it is. Multiply the numerators 64 into 1 and multiply the denominator 7 into 3. 64 ones are 64, 7 threes are 21. So our answer is this. Multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Okay, let us go to the next one example. Next example is 3 1 by 3 into 4 by 5. Okay, so first step is convert this much fraction into the improper fraction. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 divided by 3 into 4 by 5 as it is. Okay, the next step is multiply the numerators and after that multiply the denominators. Upside multiply the numerators, that is 10 into 4, and downside multiply the denominators, that is 3 into 5. And if it is divisible, then divide this. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. If it is not divisible, then keep as it is. So multiply this. 2 into 4 is 8. 3 into 1 is 3. So this is our answer. I hope you understood this one. In next video we will solve the exercise. If you like this video, then please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's learning time. Thank you.